Assalamu Alaikum and welcome to Know and Grow, where we simplify investing for expats living in the GCC. When it comes to investing, you'll often hear two styles, active and passive. But which one is better? Let's understand both in simple terms. Active investing means when you or a fund manager are constantly buying and selling, trying to beat the market. It's like being in the driver's seat, steering through the traffic, trying to reach faster than others. There's more control, but also more stress and higher costs. Passive investing is the opposite. You invest in a fund that simply follows the market, like S&P 500 or global index, no frequent buying and selling. It's like getting on a train, you sit back, relax, and let the journey unfold over time. Quick comparison. Active investing can sometimes give higher returns, but it comes with more risk, higher fees, and usually needs more time and expertise. Passive investing is low cost, simple, and works well for long-term wealth building, especially if you don't want to track markets daily. Why it matters for GCC expats? As an expat with a busy life, passive investing can be your best friend. You can invest in low-cost ETFs through platforms like Sarva or international brokers like Interactive Brokers and just keep adding regularly. It's stress-free, tax-efficient, and proven to work over the long run. So which one wins? Honestly, for most people, passive investing wins over time. It's simple, steady, and doesn't require you to be a finance expert. If this helped you understand the difference, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow expats, and subscribe to Know and Grow, your trusted source for easy and practical money tips. Stay smart and stay invested.